Take a moment to pause. This is your time to reset and recharge. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop, releasing any tension. Breathe in again, feeling fresh energy enter your body, and exhale, letting go of any stress. Allow yourself to settle. There's nothing to do, nowhere to be. Just this moment. Bring awareness to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall, like waves rolling in and out. With each inhale, invite calmness. With each exhale, release any pressure or tension. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. If thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them and let them drift away, like clouds passing in the sky. Return to your breath, steady and soothing. As you continue breathing, silently remind yourself, I am present. I am calm. I am at ease. Let these words settle into your being, guiding you into a deeper state of relaxation. Let your breath flow naturally without effort. Simply rest in this peaceful pause. When you're ready, gently bring movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders, and stretch if it feels good. Take one more deep breath in and exhale fully. As you open your eyes, carry this calm with you, refreshed, renewed, and ready to continue your day. Thank you for being here.